Ballesteros, nakuha. Good ball. Kay ganda. Maximo. Another serve from Jetro Muntalban. Inside. Bola ng series 1 and 2. Official score 14-12. Nice serve. Sinet Ramilo. Inside. Official score 15-12. Favor of MCDC 1. Away. Serve jersey number 8, Ballesteros. Nice receive. Set by Derek. Missed. Play. Outside, according to our first referee, Miss Nixie Clarito. Serve, jersey number 11. Okay. Rotation, error. Official score, 17-14. Another serve. Good. Set again. Maxino. Nakuha ng ganda. There we go. Inside. Another set. Back ball. Inside, according to our second referee, Erwin. Official score, 19-14. Another serve by Ate Jerry. Not over. Magandang gabi sa aming pioneer na kaibigan, Roy Tijuan. Check ball inside. Tolentino. Nakuha. Good ball. Over. Set again. Set by Bote. Tolentino. Ginawa ng paraan. Pumasok. Ramiro. Binigyan ng break. Isa pa ulit. Tolentino. Ang galing. Parang hindi pagod. Power. Wait lang, according to our second referee, Erwin Ascension. Magandang gabi sa aming mga pioneer na Gay Queen ng Maya pa, Roy Tijuan and Roy and our Glenn Manatag. Serve, jersey number 4, Bote. Nice drop. Good ball. Tolentino. Set by Jerry. Maximo. Another serve from our captain ball. Ramiro. Nasyong ka lang antenna bells, Cobra Bell, Ululwa. Wait lang. Right, dito lang ako. Andyan kayo. Andito lang ako. Andyan kayo. Okay. Sir, jersey number 4, our captain ball, Mr. Paete. Nice receive for Ramilo. Mahabang hampas. Set by Anes. Tolentino. Riabano, Ismail. Bawal mamungit. Official score. All 19. Ismail. Nice serve. Received by Ramilo. Set by Derek. Magsino. Nakuha. Set by Bote. Nakuha ni Jerry. Set. Binalik sa kabila. Set again. Tolentino, binigyan ng break! Gumagana na ang bata! Time out! MCDC 1! Binabati ko pa ang Diyosa ng Palo Alto, Miss Glenn Manatan Andaya. At Diyosa ng Banyadero, Miss Tanya Lopez.
Wow, sexy!
Kasama sila, ang mga veteranang aktres. Back to the ball game. Official score 2019. Go! Nice serve, our captain ball. Set by Jerry. Magsino. Inside by Ballesteros.
Patay na!
Serve, another serve for our captain ball. Mr. Paete, jersey number 4. Set again, Magsino. Outside. Official score, 22-19. Favor na po ang series 1 and 2. Nice serve, consistent serve. Magsino, direct ball. Nagkaroon ng buta si Magsino. Official score, 22-20. Favor of series 1 and 2. Jumper by Magsino. Good ball. Ballesteros inside. Ay, bueno, sorry. Nice serve. Ballesteros kinuha. Sinet Bote. Good ball. Tolentino. Check outside. Set point. 24-20. Nice serve from Bueno. Okay, change score. Nice one. Ang ganda ng laban. And palakpakan po natin Miss Glenn Manatan Andaya. Palakpakan mo, Boyet. Sila po ang mga pioneer ng volleyball team nung araw. Alright, back to the ball games. Mahamog naman kayong nakidyan. Okay. Serve jersey number 11, Mr. Jerry Gumasi. Nice serve. Kinuha Tolentino. Set again. Inside. Kinuha. Our block. Good. Touch the net. Montalban. Services. Kanina. Our captain ball jersey number 4. Paete. Ramilo. Inside. Check ball. Serve jersey number 2, Mr. Jethro Montalban. Nice receive. Set by Bote. Dinrap ball. Ginud. In over. Over again. Bump it. Another. Set again. Ramilo. That's the net. Official score 2-1. Served by jersey number 2, Jethro Montalban. Nice serve, nice receive. Set by Bote. Tolentino, direct ball. Outside. Alright, another service. Set. Ramilo. Tolentino inside. Official score 3-2. Favor of MCDC 1. Nice serve. Grab. Set by Bote. Tolentino. Not over. Serve jersey number 3, Joshua Ramilo. Outside. Official score 4-3. People of MCDC 1. Serve jersey number 3. Open by Ballesteros. All 4. Outside. Official score 5-4. Serve jersey number 3. 13. Inside by Agolo. All 5. Served by Joseph. Jersey number 23. Tracker by Jerry. Nakuha. Backroll attack by Tolentino. Inside. Akes. Akes. Another serve by Josa. Jersey number 23. Magsino Dracbo, nakuha ulit. Set by Bote. Nakuha. Set again. Magsino. Set by Bote. Ballesteros. Nakuha. Good ball. Backroll attack by Ramilo. Alright. Outside. It's because of me. Official score, all 6. Wait lang. In 1. Our captain ball 7 out. Okay na out. Let's go. Serve by our captain ball, Jeff Ramilo. Nakuha. Good ball. Ballesteros. Nakuha ulit. Inside. Official score. Change favor. 7-6. Lamang po ang series 1 and 2. Set by Jerry. Montalban. Nakuha ni Tolentino. Pinabol. Away. All 7. Inside. Isa sa pinakamaganda kong friend, Miss Pink Black, EJ Tolentino. Nice serve. Ballesteros. Check outside. Nice serve. Set by Jerry Ramiro. Alright. Bola po ng MCDC 1. Serve, jersey, number 11, Jerry Dumasi. Nice receive. Set by Bote, Tolentino. Na-check, nakuha, set by Jerry Ramilo. Inside. Official score, 10-8. Favor of MCDC 1. Nice serve, another missed play. Another serve by Atimo Jerry Dumasi. Oh my God, that's over, huh? Official score, 11-9, favor of MCDC 1. Serve, our captain ball. Away. Okay, out 1, in 7. Go. Serve by Jetro Montalban. Blocked by Maxino. Nice serve. Set by Bote. Tolentino. Inside. Alright. Official score 13-11. Favor of MCDC 1 and 2. 1 lang pala, sorry. Inside from Maxino. Outside. Official score 15-11. Serve jersey number 3. Good ball. Set by Ramilo. Maxino, dirap out. Inside. Official score 16-11. Favor of MCDC 1. Nice serve. Tolentino. Pinasok. Nakuha ni Ramilo. Set again. Number 5. Nakuha Tolentino. Tolentino. Off spin. Set by Maxino. Ramilo. Off spin din. Set again. Tolentino. Nakuha ni Ramilo. Outside. Official score 16-12. Favor of FCDC 1. Serve jersey number 3, Tolentino. Served by jersey number 13, Mr. Coronia. Black. Bola ng series 1 and 2. Official score 17-13. Nice serve. Nakuha. Set by Jerry. Jersey number 5. Nice one. Off spin. (18-13) favor of MCDC 1. Alright, for Anes. Binigyan ng break, Ballesteros.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Bawi! Hindi ako papayag nun.
Served by Baby Boy, jersey number 14. Nice receive from Ramilo, Sinagdigeri, Montalban. Nakalusot! Taray! Official score 19-14. Favor of MCDC 1. Nice serve. Set by Bote. Inside by Ballesteros.
Mag-uubusin lakas mo.
Set by Jerry. Bataray! Montalban! Official score 20-15. Another set. Served by jersey number 11, Jerry Dumasi. Black by Ramilo. Another serve, jersey number 11, Jerry Dumasi. Nice floating serve. Inside, according to our first referee, Nixie Clarito. Backward attack. Nakuha. Set. Number 13. Nakuha ulit. Set again. Tolentino. Pumasok. Set by Jerry. Ramilo. Dinarapon. Set by Bote. Tolentino. Naipasok. Mr. Yuri Tolentino. Official score 22-16. Favor of MCDC 1. Good ball. Inad. Yes. Dirapon. Good.